Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're focusing on an essential accessory for musicians and vocalists using TC Helicon gear, the BestCH Mini USB cable. This isn't just any generic cable. It's a high-quality, reliable replacement engineered for popular devices like the TC Helicon VoiceTone series. H1, D1, X1, C1, E1, R1, T1, Synth Vocal, Play Vocal, the Ditto Mic Looper Stomp, and the VoiceLive 3 Extreme Vocal Dynamics Effects Pedal. For anyone needing a dependable alternative, this cable is a game changer. A key selling point is its strong emphasis on compatibility and reliability. The manufacturer states all their cables undergo 100% testing for flawless operation with listed models. This rigorous testing is crucial, directly addressing concerns about replacement product performance. It provides significant peace of mind, especially when your performance or recording session is on the line. Now for technical specifications. This is a 3FT 1 meter, high-speed USB 2A male to mini-B cable. This length is practical, balancing reach with avoiding clutter. The USB 2 standard guarantees efficient, high-speed data transfer, vital for tasks like firmware updates, preset management, or ensuring stable power to your TC Helicon devices. The A-male to mini-B connector is standard for many of these music production tools. Beyond functionality, the BestCH Mini USB cable prioritizes safety. It carries CE, FCC, and RoHS approvals, globally recognized for product safety. More critically, it integrates multiple layers of protection: overvoltage, overcurrent, overload, and short-circuit protection. These safeguards shield your valuable TC Helicon equipment from potential electrical damage, giving you confidence in its daily use. While product info mentions a worldwide input voltage range of 102-40 V 50-60 Hz, typically for adapters, its inclusion here underscores the cable's robust construction, capable of safely handling diverse power environments when connected to an appropriate source. In summary, the BestCH Mini USB cable is a meticulously engineered replacement aiming to deliver performance and safety on par with, or even surpassing, an original. It's more than just a connector. It's a guarantee of reliable data flow, stable power, and crucial protection for your cherished musical instruments and effects pedals. For musicians seeking a cost-effective, high-performance, and secure alternative, this cable is definitely worth considering. Always verify your specific device model against the compatibility list for a perfect match. Thanks for watching.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.